Hello viewers, welcome to JSM. In previous video, I have explained different types of hydrogen bondings, that is intermolecular hydrogen bond and intramolecular hydrogen bond. Intramolecular hydrogen bond. So in this video, I am going to explain strength of hydrogen bond. Strength of hydrogen bond. So in previous video already I have explained, that is conditions to form hydrogen bond. Conditions to form hydrogen bond, that is hydrogen atom should be attached to more electronegative atoms like fluorine, oxygen, chlorine and nitrogen. Okay, so that is more electronegative atom. Second point is what? There should be a donor atom. There should be a donor atom, along with that a lone pair present on that atom. Lone pair present on that atom. So these are the conditions to form hydrogen bond. So now the strength of hydrogen bond also depends upon what? Electronegativity of the atom and electronegativity of donor atoms. Okay, so now, in discussing this strength of hydrogen bond, we have two cases. In that first case in this case 1, if hydrogen bond is formed between same molecules. Say for example, hydrogen fluoride, next H2O, ammonia. Okay, so like this, if hydrogen bond is formed between same molecules, hydrogen fluoride, water molecule, ammonia. So like this, if hydrogen bond is formed between same molecules. So how we calculate strength of hydrogen bond? So now here we are calculating strength of hydrogen bond. That is, strength of hydrogen bond is directly proportional to electronegativity of the atom. Okay, strength of hydrogen bond is directly proportional to electronegativity of atom. So if two molecules are same, whenever they are involving in the formation of hydrogen bond, based on this we are calculating strength of hydrogen bond. In this example, hydrogen fluoride, H2O, ammonia. So now in these three cases, hydrogen bond is formed between same molecules. So now here, this is the highest electronegative element. When compared to fluorine, oxygen is second most, this is the third most. So now here, which one strength is more? The strength of HF is more when compared to oxygen. So when compared to oxygen, nitrogen strength is less. That means what? Fluorine electronegativity is more, oxygen electronegativity is less when compared to fluorine, nitrogen electronegativity is less when compared to oxygen. So this is the order of strength of hydrogen bond. So when between two same molecules, if hydrogen bond is formed, this is the case 1. Case 2, if hydrogen bond is formed between two different molecules. If hydrogen bond is formed between two different molecules. So just now I have explained what is that case 1. If hydrogen bond is formed between same molecules already we completed. So now this is case 2. If hydrogen bond is formed between two different molecules. So now in this we have two conditions. In this we have what? Two conditions. If donor atom is same and donor atoms are different. If donor atom is same and donor atoms are different, in that condition 1, in that first condition, so if donor atom is same, for example A1H, this is the hydrogen bond with the donor atom having lone pair, and A2, okay, forming bond with the hydrogen. So now it is what? Donor atom. So now it is condition is what? Between two different molecules. But in first condition, what is that? Donor atom is same. Here it is the donor atom is same. So when donor atom is same, the strength of hydrogen bond, here strength of is directly proportional to, strength of hydrogen bond is directly proportional to electronegativity of A1 or A2. A1 or A2. A1 or A2 means what? Different molecules. So based on this, we are calculating the strength of hydrogen bond. So in particular example, okay. So now first I am taking hydrogen fluoride, okay, with ammonia. So now hydrogen fluoride, one molecule. So now it is forming hydrogen bond with what? Ammonia. So next one is a water molecule. So now it is also forming hydrogen bond with what? Ammonia. So now strength of hydrogen bond is directly proportional to electronegativity of the atom. So now here this is what? This is the ammonia is what? It is a donor atom. Okay na? So this ammonia is what? Donor atom. Here also ammonia is what? It is a donor atom. So now which one strength is more? The strength of HF ammonia and water ammonia. So now this is greater than this. Okay na? So now it is what? Condition is what? If donor atom is same. So now in this fluorine, hydrogen. So now it is a lone pair is bonding hydrogen. Lone pair is forming hydrogen bond with what? Nitrogen. So now it is what? Partially it gets positive charge, partially it gets negative charge. So now same here also this ammonia acting as what? As a donor atom. Oxygen, hydrogen. Okay. So now it is partially negative charge, partially positive charge. So now it forms hydrogen bond with donor atom, that is ammonia, hydrogen. So having what? One lone pair. So this is condition 1. Condition 1. If donor atom is same. Donor atom is same. So second condition is if donor atom is different. If donor atom is different. Donor atom is different. Okay, so now here it is bonds with what? D1. Okay, so next A2, that is A, forming bond with hydrogen, this is D2. Donor atom is different. If donor atom is different, okay, then the strength of hydrogen bond depends upon what? Lewis base character of donor atom, or it is inversely proportional to electronegativity of the donor atom. Electronegativity of the donor atom. For example, now the strength of hydrogen bond in this case, that is if donor atoms are different. Strength of hydrogen bond directly proportional to Lewis base character of donor atom are inversely proportional to electronegativity of donor atom. Okay, so now based on this we are calculating the strength of hydrogen bond. Okay na? In condition 2, if donor atoms are different, the strength of hydrogen bond is directly proportional to Lewis base character of donor atom, or inversely proportional to electronegativity of donor atom. For example, okay, ammonia water molecule and alcohol water molecule. So now ammonia, pair of electrons, hydrogen. Okay, so now here it is the water molecule HOH. Okay, HOH. Here you see, according to strength of hydrogen bond, Lewis base character of donor atom. So now between these two, nitrogen and oxygen, so which electronegativity is more? This electronegativity is more. So this is inversely proportional. If electronegativity is more, strength of hydrogen bond is less, or Lewis base character also less. Okay na? Lewis base character of donor atom is inversely proportional to electronegativity of atom. Here it is electronegativity is more, so Lewis base character is less. So now here electronegativity is less, so compulsory it gives what? It acts as a donor. So now between these two, hydrogen bond will form. Okay, so now here also, in case of alcohol and water molecule, ROH, this is alcohol. Here also same, this is hydrogen, oxygen, hydrogen. Okay, so now here it is electronegativity is same, but here it is what? Lewis base character. Which one can easily lose? easily gives pair of electrons, this one. Okay, so now here it is what? Alcohol acts as a donor atom. Okay, so it is a partially it gets positive charge, it gets negative charge, it is also negative charge. Here it is what? Partially gets negative charge, partially gets positive charge. So now here it is so now strength up between these two, which one strength is more? The strength of this one is more. Okay, so now this is if donor atom is different, so strength of hydrogen bond is directly proportional to Lewis base character of donor atom. So now it is inversely proportional to electronegativity of donor atom. So now in this case this ammonia acts as what? Donor atom. So now here it is where alcohol acts as a donor atom.